Here's our air fryer, and what I did is I took quite a bit. I mean, probably about maybe 3 times this. Chicken thighs, marinated for 4 to 5 hours in the Sazon Tropical Badia all-purpose marinade. And put it in. I'm getting ready to put this back in again. And I've been putting it at well, definitely a little hard to do this while you're filming. Oh, saw the bottle fall because obviously it's empty. Put it in for another 15 more minutes. So done about 430, 450. First time 15. I'll do another 15. You'll see what it looks like. It's actually quite delicious, and it's got a nice little crust to it, caramelized because of the sauce. And I'm going to probably break it up into little pieces and use it for tacos on a keto taco shell. All right, done after about, I don't know, maybe 28 minutes or so. There it is. It's a huge, there's probably 5 pounds worth of chicken thighs in there. Maybe 3.5 pounds. But you can see that's the one side. It's the bottom side. Might throw it in the oven for 10-15 minutes before I cut it up for tacos later tonight. This is kind of like prep. But that sauce is pretty good. It's very, I don't know, it says tropical. I wouldn't call it tropical, but definitely a very, if you like Hispanic restaurants, Cuban places. Here in Central Florida on the Space Coast, we've got a ton of Cuban and Puerto Rican and Costa Rican restaurants, and it's got that nice flavor to it. In fact, we got several stores that sell more or less just the spices for those type of dishes. Anyway, if you're interested in chicken thighs, even steak probably, give it a shot. Badia, you can get it probably in any store, pretty much anywhere in the country. All the chicken thighs, cut up the chicken thighs into little chunks. The stuff marinated with the tropical style, Hispanic style, I guess. And then I'm gonna make a taco. There's a taco I made with the chickens underneath it. In fact, I'll show you. All down in here. Chicken with some cheese and then a Caesar salad on top of it.